Hello guys, my name is Madhav. Today I am going to do functional decomposition of bearing. Function of bearing is to transfer relative motion between machine element. Bearings are classified into two groups. First one is anti-friction bearing and second one is sliding contact bearing. Anti-friction bearing are further classified into two groups, roller bearing and ball bearing. This one is ball bearing and this one is roller bearing. First, sliding contact bearing are further classified into hydrostatic and hydrodynamic bearing. Today I am going to disassemble this roller. Today I am going to disassemble this ball bearing. This is a single row deep groove ball bearing. It consists of inner case on the periphery of inner race. There are spherical balls are arranged with the help of retainer. Retainer holds the ball intact with outer race and inner race. Spherical ball transmit power relative motion of inner race to outer race. This bearing it this bearing this bearing will go onto the shaft. This ball bearing is used in electrical motors, fans and compressors. To operate this ball bearing, we have to put ball bearing onto the shaft. Now if the shaft rotates, it will rotate the inner race and inner race will rotate the balls. Ball will rotate the outer race. It will transmit relative motion of this shaft to different machine element. This one is taper roller bearing used for low speed or medium speed, used in automobile for heavy loads. It will take axial load and radial loads. Now we will see disassemble parts of the roller bearings and functionality of each part. After disassemble of ball bearing, we can see different parts of ball bearing. This one is inner race, this one is retainer, this one is outer race, and these are the spherical balls. Firstly, this one is inner race. Inside diameter of this inner race is equal to the diameter on which we are going to fit the roller bearing or ball bearing. It has a slot provided for spherical ball. The surface finish of inner race should be fine in order to avoid wear and tear. This is a retainer used to hold the spherical ball, having arrangement of metallic strip is bent in such a way that, or geometrically shaped in such a way that they can hold the spherical balls. Two metallic strips are connected with the help of screw. The size of this circular shape is equal to the diameter of spherical ball. Because balls are there in this bearing, there are 9 balls are there. Different number of balls can be used as per the requirement. Depending upon the application of bearing, we can choose type of bearing with the help of bearing designation system. This is outer race having shape a cylindrical shape, a hollow cylindrical shape having slot is provided on two edge of this outer race in order to hold the spherical ball. These are the different parts of the roller bearing.